Hi there, once again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to capture still image from video in CapCut. So I'm going to drag this video onto my timeline. So this is actually a video, and then I intend to get some particular moment of this video as image. So this is just a typical example of how the video looks like. So what I want to do is that I intend to capture some unique moments as image. So let's say this is the moment I want to capture. You can play through and then leave your playhead at the moment where you intend to capture. And then we're going to capture that part as image. So this is a video, but I want a particular part as image. So I'm going to leave my playhead here. And then when you move your cursor to the far right top, click on these three bars over here. And then you can see this option that says export still frames. So when you click on that, you see what is going to happen. So it's able to capture, I'm able to capture. So you see what is happening? I'm able to capture that particular portion as image. So there is a format. We have the JPEG format, we have the PNG. So you can select whatever format you intend to capture. And you can also select the destination where you want to export your image to, and also the resolution. You can actually select that from there. You have the 2K, so this is going to give you some high quality. So all you can do is to maybe give a name for your video, and then you can actually export that. So I can actually change the destination where I intend to have this image. So it all depends on you where you intend to put your image. So in my case, let me just move this to my desktop or probably my download folder, and then click on select folder. So I've actually changed the destination of my image, and I'm going to click on export. So this is actually going to be exported onto my desktop. So this particular moment of this video will be captured as image. So let's have a look at it. So as you can see, that part of this video was captured as image. It's an image. If you want to use it for whatever you want to do, you can actually go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till I come away again. Bye bye.